Amazing facts about food processing machines. The first meat grinder was invented in the 19th century by Carl Drees. It was hand-cranked and primarily used for grinding meat for sausage. The first electric food processor was invented by Carl Sondheimer in 1971. It was called the Cuisinart and revolutionized the way home cooks prepared food. The world's largest food processing machine is the Bada 427 fish processing machine. It can process up to 200 fish per minute and remove bones, skin, and other unwanted parts. The first can opener was invented in 1858 by Ezra J. Warner. Prior to this invention, cans were opened using a chisel and hammer. The first automatic bread slicing machine was invented by Otto Friedrich Rohwedder in 1928. The machine could slice up to 18 loaves of bread per minute. The microwave oven was invented in 1945 by Percy Spencer. He discovered the technology while working on radar equipment during World War II. The world's largest chocolate fountain was created in 2011 by the Bellagio Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. It stands at 27 feet tall and circulates over 2,100 pounds of melted chocolate. The first electric coffee grinder was invented in 1930 by a German company called Mahlkönig. Prior to this, coffee beans were ground by hand using a mortar and pestle. The world's largest ice cream sundae was created in 1988 in Edmonton, Canada. It weighed over 55,000 pounds and was made using over 20,000 pounds of ice cream. The world's first pizza vending machine was created in 2003 by Claudio Toroli. The machine can make and bake a fresh pizza in under 3 minutes. Thanks for watching.